Happy birthday, Mahesh Mama. Happy 80th. Although you don't feel, you feel 18 with all the mommies
Happy
you've given
birthday,
us. From
Mahesh
Gulab.
Mama.
Gulab is here. And Blackboard 1 and Blackboard 2, they are also sending you the wishes for your birthday.
Have a great birthday, have great life and good health to you and all your family. We are in Jalna from here. We are praying for all of you and all of us. Have a great
Everybody's
time.
wishes
Happy birthday!
to you. Radhayu.
Vadhayu, Vadhayu.
Have lots of fun and lots of cake and enjoy.
Have some Gulkand from me as a
From Gulab.
from Gulab. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Jai Shri Ram.
Hi, Baba. You've been the backbone of the family. When we came to know that you have a problem with your back, we decided that you not leave any holes and fix your back. We are very happy that you are sorted. I look up to you on all fronts. I wish you a very happy and a healthy 80th birthday. I wish you travel to more exotic places and have the best of life. Love you lots.
Hi Pa, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. As you deep dive into 80th, we just wish a wonderful, happy, healthy life for you ahead. You know how much you mean to all of us. You are the main hero, the main anchor of our family. Always stay strong, happy, and keep us lively with your fun and laughter, with your jokes around. We always want to see you happy, and we are lucky to have you. And you know how much you mean to me and to your little Aru, right? I think he's had the best Dadu that he could have, wished for. May God bless you, Pa, and wish you loads of fun this year and years ahead. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Uncle. A very, very happy birthday to you. You always rock and make everybody's day rock too, whenever they speak to you. Keep smiling and keep joking and make everybody happy as you do always. Wishing you good health, happiness, and loads and loads and loads of joy always. Happy birthday.
Hi, Manish uncle. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Uh, all the best and God bless you. You surely don't feel or don't look like 80. You're always such an inspiration, such a strong person, smiling even in the toughest positions. Something really to learn from. And I just wish the best, always the best for you. Lots and lots of love, Manish uncle. Love you loads. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Mahesh Mama, wish you a very, very, very happy 80th birthday. You're an amazing guy. I've always admired your wit and humor, which is just amazing. It makes you stand apart in a crowd. You're always the guy that we look up to in a party who just, keeps everything going. Such a fun guy. With my baby coming now, I definitely want my baby also to learn this little side of yours. Anyways, lots of love and luck and all the best.
Start.
Happy birthday, Mahesh. May God bless you in the lovely day. So how have we started it? Have a nice day and lovely years ahead. Feel fit and grand. Okay?
Brother Mahesh, you are not my brother, but you are my father. You have been there since my childhood, since the day I was born. And you have been always helping me. Your sense of humor, your willpower is always a help to us. Wish you all the best. You may come out of all your worries. Happy birthday to you.
Hello. Hi, brother. Congratulations on the milestone of 80. Wow, wow, wow. Wishing a very, very happy 80th birthday. Love you tons, brother. You know what? You're the pillar of the house. Whatever problems you have, you never show those problems, but you go out of your way to help anybody, everybody, anytime. A small instance I remember when I was getting married. You took out a piece of gold from your own gift which you got for your wedding and you gave it to me. You know what? It touched my heart so much, and I'm going to relish that all my life. What you did. But having you, brother, that's the best gift Almighty has given it to me. I will never ever forget that. You're the best. You're the best. This is the best quality you have. One other quality also you have, which is totally too good. You know what? You make everybody laugh. And laughter makes a person young and healthy. So continue doing that. Crack jokes and laugh. Laugh and laugh. Which we all enjoy. We really enjoy that. Wishing you all the best. All the best. Well, it's your day. It's 80th birthday. You're not getting old. You're becoming classic. Absolutely classic MRG. You know that? Classic is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I've got to tell you something else. The best person at heart is you. I love you tons.
मां खाली हैप्पी बर्थडे चाहूंदिस मां हीयर कान चाहूंदिस घना साल थी विया you are still young, be young and always keep everybody laughing and you also laugh all the time. God bless you. Take care.
Enjoy your day today.
And enjoy.
With cake, love, blessings. I can wish you nothing else but best for today, tomorrow and always. And loves, loves and loves. God bless.
Always be nutty and witty.
Love you, love you. A big huggy to you.
Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear bro. Happy birthday to you.
अस्सी वरे सोच तो सही ही बा हेडो जान गुड लुकिंग
अरे भाई असांजो भाउ ॾिसो था वारो भाउ
अरे उन्हें जे पुठियां बाहूं ई बाहूं सॼो वक्त बाहूं अञा बि बाहूं नथियूं छॾे ख़बर अथई अञा बि नथियूं छॾे सभु पार्साणी अञा बि थी अचे ख़बर अथई पई अचे मूंखे बि मैसेजेस मोकिली
असां पई हाणे
ऐश कर भाउ ऐश कर मज़ा अथई मज़ा
ये चलो ॾिसो तो छाती
मज़ा अथई भा एंजॉय कर हिन उम्र में तोखे केर बि डाउट न कंदो तूं कुझु बि कर
खा पी ऐश कर सुषमा तो पासे में वेही रहो
वेठी हुज सुषमा तू कुझु बि वेठी बि हूंदी आहे न तॾहिं बि हिन खे हथ पैर हणणु अलाउड आहे
बिल्कुलु
महेश एंजॉय हैव द बेस्ट
birthday
ever. Have the best fun ever in your life. We are there with you as much as you have stood by us at all difficult times.
Masha,
thank you for everything.
Masha, thank you for being the elder brother in the family, taking care of one and all. I do remember my school days. That khari biscuit in my lifetime will never be forgotten. So, keep doing that. Keep doing all those little things that give us immense pleasure. But have a rocking day for yourself and a rocking life always with your dear family.
Big Baki!
Baki.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. We all love you. Happy birthday, dear Mahesh. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Mahesh, today is a very auspicious day for you. Physically, you might be 80 years old, but mentally, you are only 18. Your sense of humor is legendary. You spread laughter and happiness wherever you go. You remind me so much of my father. Love you, my brother. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Wishing my super Sevi Upar cousin brother Mahesh a very happy 80th birthday. There's never a dull moment being around you. God bless you a long, healthy and happy life. As the famous song goes, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Lots of love and hugs. Happy birthday.
Hi Mahesh, how are you feeling today? You have reached a milestone, 80 years. How does it look? Good as 60? Wish you all the best. God bless you.